Welcome to Passionate Learners CNC Programming channel. In this video we will see where to find G-code list in Fanuc Controller. First we will see the parameter to enable this soft key. Press Offset button. Press Settings soft key. Ensure MDI mode is on. Input 1 in parameter right enable. Press System button. Type 8134 and press number search soft key. Input 1 in IAP bit. Turn off and on the machine. Switch to edit mode. Press Program button. Press OPRT button. Press right arrow soft key 2 times. Press CAP soft key. Press G menu soft key. Now you can see G-code list. Press CAP and soft key to close the list. Thank you for watching the video.